guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's a girl show. So as seen by the title down below, I'll be giving you guys an unboxing video today. So this video is sponsored by zoebags.ru. So on zoebags.ru you can get a wide variety of bags. Yes guys, and people like me need to jump on these things because the bags they're very reasonable. Okay, so I'm gonna be placing their information in my description box down below. So if you guys are interested, you guys can go down in the description box. All the informations will be down below. So please, I'm asking you to make sure that you drop a like on this video, drop a comment down below. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. Turn on the post notification bell. Remember to follow me on all socials at Rush_Shella. And remember, if you guys want me to do any unboxing video for you, you can reach out to me through my email in the description box down below. So this is the package that we're gonna be unboxing. So I did already pull the box because I know so once me get packaged me fast, I'm gonna have to pull the box first and fast. Yeah, so anyway, I got this Chanel bag that you all can wear go out. Either you can put like flat sandals in it. This is a good bag, and as usual, the packages come with the receipts in them. So 3 receipts as usual. This one, and this one. I will leave money for that bag here now, guys. Will leave money for that bag here. So anyway guys, remember to use my coupon code TQ15 so that you guys can get 15% off if you're gonna be shopping on this website. Okay, so remember now, if you want a little discount, please jump on my code TQ15 so that you guys can get 15% off. So this is the package. So as usual, you all know they're gonna be bubble wrap in the package to make sure that it's safe. Alright, so me and Chloe can get them here for pop. I don't know if I'm alone like do that, but I just love doing it. So anyway, this is the cute package. So we're gonna pull this. All of the packaging smell the same. Hey guys, so this is the package. So this is the package, guys. So this come inside. This and the sweet the thing to keep the scent in the package. So those are what come in the bottom, and then this is the bag. Okay, so this is a Chanel bag. This is just little and neat. It's just a little neat, guys. Oh Lord. But not line. So it have a pocket right here for the back parts of this. And maybe we can snap a little thing through. Waiting. So it comes with a zip right here. So it have a top zip right at the top of the bag. And then this is the inside. I don't know, for some reason I am so obsessed with, like, you know, the bag them like outside is a different color and then the inside is red. I like it. I don't know why, but the red in a bag just look unique to me. I don't know if I'm me alone obsessed with the red in a bag, but I like it. So you have a little compartment here, and then right at the front to here you have a zip, and you can put something in. So this bag is not really that spacious like that. So it's not that spacious. You just have, you know, a little space right here. You know, maybe can hold like a purse, a little pack of wipes, and you know, maybe like a lip balm. That's it. Oh, it's have a front part right here as well. But you know, I think if it's a case where you maybe pack this bag, it maybe I go bulge out, right? So let's see detail. And then it comes with the strap. So this is the strap. The strap there. Alright, so alright guys, so at least I can say I get a nice bag to my collection of bags. Right, so please remember to jump on my code TQ15 so that you guys can get 15% off once you're gonna be shopping on this website. Okay, and guys, may I tell you now, the coupon code will be worth it if you guys are gonna do any shopping, because it will make a whole lot of difference, right? Because this bag alone is 26,000 odd. So if you all are gonna be purchasing anything, jump on my code. It's good for if them at least take off a little some, right? Yep. So this is basically the end of the video. So thank you also so much for watching the video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So it's a girl Rush, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye.